Hi, this is Vaibhavi Nerlikar from Roshan Tally Academy, Pune. In this video, I am going to throw light on term monopoly. Here's what no one tells you about monopoly. Whenever we hear word monopoly, the first thought that come into the mind is product. Mostly, monopoly is a word relates to the product. But frankly speaking, nowadays, finding an unique product, producing it, and selling it into the market, it's not an easy task. In the country like India, where lots of talent and creativity is available, hardly any products left from these intelligent entrepreneurs' eye. So unique product and monopoly about it is out of question. Then is monopoly almost dead? No, not at all. It's very much alive in following areas. Monopoly is equal to uniqueness, right? Every single person is unique in sense of experience, thought processes, habits, relationship, maturity level, intelligence, sense of humor and so on. Now you can understand how much scope we have for monopoly. You just have to put uniqueness in proper area which will create monopoly automatically. Let's understand this more clearly with example. In case of content writing, many service providers are available with their unique quality, like someone uses funny memes quotes in their writing skill. On the other hand, someone explains with real life example and some uses phrases for effective communication. These different styles and communication skills make them unique. Let's understand another example. In case of industrial valve manufacturing, many manufacturers produce this product with unique feature like timely completion. Some produces with most accuracy, other deliver at your doorstep. Rests are able to maintain long-term relation with client, and some manufacturers can manage their manpower more efficiently. So with all these unique qualities, they are successfully running their business in most competitive situation. The point which I want to make here is don't waste your time to find out unique product. Find unique quality within yourself and apply that quality into your business. Choose most common product as demand is assured and try to deliver it with most uncommon feature and it will create monopoly automatically. Be the single seller of your own quality. All the best.